So hot, humid, maybe a shower or storm, but otherwise outdoor plans are a go. Dia?
All right, Seth, thank you. Get ready to pay more for everything from lawnmowers to toilet paper. And a third of Americans say they're going to go meatless this barbecue season. Jane King is at the NASDAQ market site with these stories and more. It's your King Business Report.
Canadian tariffs on 80 different items begin today. Ketchup to pizza to dishwasher detergent will face a 10% tariff at the Canadian border, the same as America's tax on imported aluminum. The tariffs are in retaliation for President Trump imposing tariffs on Canadian goods sold in the U.S. 1/3 of all Americans and 37% of millennials plan to buy more plant-based products over the next year. That's according to Mintel's 2018 Summer Food and Drink Trends Report. Specialty vegan products like the jackfruit, black bean, chipotle, mushroom mince, and cauliflower are becoming popular substitutes for barbecue meats like steak and sausage. 6% of Americans say they are vegan. Well, Pfizer is raising prices on 91 drugs, including some popular ones like Viagra. The Financial Times says the increases were effective as of July 1st, and in most cases were about 9%. The soaring cost of medicines in the U.S. has sparked a public outcry and has become a big issue in elections. And Disney is working on Star Wars blaster technology. WDW News reports that Disney has reportedly submitted a patent for technology. It uses a series of small reflective surfaces to replicate the technology. Disney's not confirming this, but fans expect it will be used in the Star Wars theme parks that will open next year. From the NASDAQ, I'm Jane King with your business update.
All right, Jane, thanks so much. Let's take a look, see how stocks are performing at this noon hour. Dow Jones Industrial is down 153 points right now to sit at 24,118. NASDAQ Composite also down 23 points to sit right now at 7487. Establishing a career is becoming more of a priority than having kids for many single American women. Now, many single women say their priorities have nothing to do with marriage or family. It's according to a new survey by marketing agency Hill Holliday and marketing research group Origin. The survey finds 44% of single women say living on their own is a priority. Only 20% of single women say getting married is next on that list, while 8% rank having children as their goal. Well, if you're planning to grill over the 4th of July, it will cost you slightly less than last year. According to a survey by the American Farm Bureau Federation, the cost of a summer cookout is going to average less than $6 per person. That's about 1% less than last year. Among the items on the Farm Bureau's menu, hot dogs, cheeseburgers, pork spare ribs, potato salad, baked beans, and watermelon. The overall cost for 10 people will be about $55. You know, it seems that Morning Cup of Joe could help us all live a little longer. Researchers from the National Cancer Institute tracked 500,000 people in the UK. They found people who drank more coffee, even 8 cups a day, had a lower risk of early death. The benefits were the same for both slow and fast metabolizers of caffeine as well as decaf drinkers. Hey, kids who smoke a hookah aren't going to hookah bars. They're often smoking in their very own homes. Hookah is a tobacco water pipe. Now, doctors say it's just as dangerous as cigarette smoking. In a study of more than 20,000 teens, CDC researchers say about 10% had tried it at least a few times. Nearly half reported hookah smoking at a friend's house. Nearly a third said that they did it at their own house. And 20% said that they'd tried a hookah at a family member's home. And mowing the lawn is a great summertime chore or job for teens, but here are some important safety reminders to keep in mind. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends kids should be over the age of 12 to use a walking mower, over the age of 16 for a riding mower. Experts say kids should always wear sturdy shoes while cutting the grass, no bare feet or open-toe shoes or flip-flops, and have them walk the yard ahead of time to pick up any rocks, small toys, or other debris. Eye protection is also strongly recommended to protect them from flying objects. Chris?
News of the weird is coming up. Forget about I do.